Have you ever wondered how AI can chat with you, understand your voice, and even look at pictures? If so, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into GPT-4 Omni, or GPT-4o, which is OpenAI's most advanced AI model yet. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that feels almost human. Cool, right? So let's get started and find out what makes GPT-4o so special. Why GPT-4o is OpenAI's most advanced GPT. One of the standout features of GPT-4o is its ability to engage in real-time verbal conversations. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4o can respond in just 320 milliseconds, almost the blink of an eye. This means no more waiting for the AI to process your input. It's like talking to a real person. This speed makes it ideal for applications where quick interactions are crucial, such as customer service or real-time gaming. Imagine a world where customer service bots are as quick and efficient as human operators, providing instant responses and resolutions. Multimodal magic. GPT-4o isn't limited to just text. It can understand and generate responses based on text, images, and audio. This makes it truly multimodal. Whether you're typing a question, speaking into your device, or sharing a photo, GPT-4o can process and respond seamlessly. For instance, you could upload a picture of a broken appliance and ask for troubleshooting steps, and GPT-4o would provide a detailed, contextually relevant response. This capability bridges the gap between different forms of communication, making interactions more natural and intuitive. Smarter Q&A. GPT-4o has been trained on a vast and up-to-date knowledge base, making it incredibly proficient at answering questions. Its training data includes information up until October 2023, ensuring it has the latest knowledge at its disposal. Whether you need help with a tricky math problem, want to learn more about a historical event, or need programming assistance, GPT-4o can provide accurate and detailed answers. This level of intelligence turns GPT-4o into a super smart assistant, always ready to help you with any query you might have. Advanced language skills. Imagine an AI that not only understands what you're saying, but also grasps how you're feeling. GPT-4o takes language processing to new heights by supporting over 50 different languages, making it one of the most linguistically versatile models to date. Whether you're chatting in English, Spanish, Mandarin, or even lesser-known languages like Swahili, GPT-4o can seamlessly understand and respond. This capability is incredibly useful in our increasingly globalized world, where communication across different languages is vital. But GPT-4o doesn't stop at understanding words. It also comprehends the sentiment behind them. For instance, if you're sending a message expressing frustration, GPT-4o can detect your tone and provide a response that acknowledges your feelings, offering empathy or solutions. This emotional intelligence is made possible by advanced sentiment analysis algorithms that assess the tone, context, and word choice of your input. So, whether you're feeling ecstatic, melancholy, or anything in between, GPT-4o tailors its responses to match your mood, creating a more personalized and engaging interaction. Voice nuance and realistic speech. One of the standout features of GPT-4o is its ability to generate speech with emotional nuances. This means it can speak in ways that reflect human emotions, making it perfect for applications where sensitivity and nuance are crucial. For example, in customer service, GPT-4o can handle calls with the same warmth and understanding as a human representative, improving the overall customer experience. Imagine calling a support line and being greeted by an AI that can convey reassurance and empathy in its voice. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy, it's happening now with GPT-4o. Moreover, GPT-4o's realistic speech capabilities shine in interactive storytelling. Suppose you're using an AI-driven audiobook or game. GPT-4o can bring characters to life with voices that match their personalities and emotions. This immersive experience is made possible by advanced speech synthesis technologies that mimic the subtle inflections and tones of human speech. With an average response time of 320 milliseconds, these interactions feel almost instantaneous and incredibly lifelike. Real-time translation. In a world where travel and international business are common, the ability to communicate across language barriers is invaluable. GPT-4o's real-time translation feature is a game-changer in this regard. Imagine being at an international conference in Tokyo where delegates from over 100 countries are present. You could speak in your native language and GPT-4o would instantly translate your words into Japanese, French, or any other language spoken at the event. This capability makes global communication smoother and more efficient. Real-time translation is also a boon for social media influencers and content creators who have audiences worldwide. A live streaming session in Los Angeles can be understood by viewers in Paris, Beijing, or Sao Paulo, thanks to GPT-4o's seamless translation. This not only broadens reach, but also fosters a more inclusive and connected global community. GPT-4o, Image and Video Analysis. Imagine you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves taking photos and videos. Now, picture having an AI that can not only view these images and videos, but also analyze and explain them to you in detail. That's exactly what GPT-4o can do. With its advanced vision capabilities, GPT-4o can analyze images and videos, providing detailed descriptions, identifying objects, interpreting scenes, and even offering insights about what's happening in the visual content. For instance, if you upload a picture of a bustling city street, GPT-4o can identify various elements like cars, buildings, pedestrians, and even contextualize the scene by saying it's a busy urban area during peak hours. If you have a video of a soccer match, it can highlight key moments, identify players, and provide commentary on the game. This feature is incredibly useful for journalists, educators, and anyone who needs to understand visual content without specialized tools. Data analysis and file uploads. Got a complex dataset or a document that needs analysis? GPT-4o has you covered. You can directly upload files containing data, whether it's a spreadsheet full of sales figures or a lengthy research paper. GPT-4o will process this information, identify patterns, extract key insights, and present the findings in an easily understandable format. For example, if you're a business analyst, you can upload sales data from the past year. GPT-4o can then analyze trends, highlight significant changes, and even predict future sales patterns. Moreover, GPT-4o remembers previous interactions and maintains context, which is crucial for ongoing projects that require detailed analysis over time. This makes it an invaluable tool for students, researchers, and professionals who deal with large amounts of data. Safety first. One of the standout features of GPT-4o is its commitment to safety. In the world of AI, ensuring that the generated information is accurate and appropriate is paramount. GPT-4o has been designed to minimize errors and avoid generating misleading or harmful content. It includes enhanced safety protocols that continuously monitor its outputs, ensuring they are suitable for all users. OpenAI has implemented strict guidelines and continuous updates to its safety measures, reflecting its dedication to creating a trustworthy AI. How to use GPT-4o. ChatGPT free. Since May 13, 2024, GPT-4o has been accessible to users on ChatGPT free. While it offers a taste of GPT-4o's capabilities, free users will have limited access to features like vision, file uploads, and data analysis. This is a great way to explore basic functionalities without any cost. ChatGPT Plus. For a subscription fee of $20 per month, users can subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, gaining full access to all GPT-4o features. This includes unrestricted use of text, image, and audio inputs and outputs, making it ideal for those who need more advanced capabilities and more frequent use. API access. Developers can integrate GPT-4o into their own applications through OpenAI's API. This allows businesses and tech enthusiasts to leverage GPT-4o's full range of functionalities within their custom applications, offering unparalleled flexibility and power for creating innovative solutions. Desktop apps. On the same release date, OpenAI introduced a desktop app for macOS, enabling users to utilize GPT-4o directly from their computers. This app brings the convenience of GPT-4o's capabilities to your desktop, making it easier to integrate into daily workflows, whether you're at home or in the office. Custom GPTs. Businesses can create tailored versions of GPT-4o specific to their needs. These custom GPTs can be used within different departments or for specialized tasks. For example, a healthcare organization might develop a custom GPT-4o to assist with patient queries and medical data analysis, ensuring that the AI is finely tuned to the unique requirements of the healthcare sector. With these various access points, GPT-4o is designed to be versatile and user-friendly, accommodating a wide range of needs from casual users to professionals and developers. Whether you're just curious about AI or looking to harness its full potential for complex tasks, GPT-4o offers a robust and flexible solution. So, what do you think about GPT-4o? It's exciting to see how far AI has come, and there's always a better version on the horizon. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more updates, and share this with your friends who love tech. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and remember, the future of AI is just around the corner.